Goeiedag almal. Hello everyone. Molweni nonke. Hoe sit my mooi mense? I'm Jan Petrus Bosman. I'm the director of the Center for Learning Technologies here at Stellenbosch University, and we're part of the Division for Learning and Teaching Enhancement. Welcome to this course. It's DEC, Digital Education Council, of which we are a part of. And I'm not sure how you made your way here. And you also had to choose along the way if you are doing this as a lecturer, a higher education teacher, maybe an administrator or a leader. There are these three different options. But however it may seem, I think everyone learns the basics and then there will be a bit of specialization. So welcome here. It's good that you decided to invest some time and pay attention to AI, because it seems to be part of our beautiful world, and we need to know, at the minimum, we need to understand it so that we can make good decisions. So the problem with the DEC courses, they are really good, but they are also not so locally lekker, as we say. It doesn't know much, and it also doesn't speak much to our Stellenbosch University, South African and African context. And this is why I'm creating this video. We're also creating the video outside here to remind you of the beautiful Rooi Plain, as well as nature, because our digital worlds, I think we always need a little bit of the outside world to join us on the screen. So how we're going to address this is the following. I suggest that you start a Word document or that you take a notebook and pencil, and that as you engage with the course, that you start writing down, reflections, insights, questions, ideas that you gain that are not addressed maybe by the course, or that makes you think about what it means for you, as being here from Stellenbosch University. We've also created a special Teams platform, or a Teams team that you can join. The link is below on this, where this video is. So come there, ask your difficult questions, share your excitement or your uncertainties, whatever. There are also lots of other links to Stellenbosch University policies, guidelines, but also opportunities to learn more, short courses and the like. There's actually a lot going on there. The last thing I want to leave you with is this idea of AI being seen as a black box. It's almost like the magician's black box or black top hat. It seems to be just this hat or box, and out pops, a special rabbit or a dove or whatever. So in a way, AI has been described as such, a black box that we don't know how it works and what's going on there, but out pops, different kind of miraculous answers or ideas, etc. Obviously built on these massive data sets. Why I want to use it is that I think we do need to know a little bit more about the box, how it works, how AI is put together, because AI is being sold as being so easy, but that's also the danger. It is so easy, but we need to understand a little bit more about the underlying technology, and also the ethical dangers, of course, and the environmental uncertainties and automation and all the bigger questions of the AI dilemma. So please continue on this journey, enjoy, join the team, and but keep thinking, what does this course mean for me as a lecturer, as an administrator, as a leader here at our university, and how can we use it to create good? Thank you.